In this Quick Steps video, we'll show you how to render videos in 3D Changer.
Go to Camera in the bottom menu and open the Video tab. You'll see a small video preview. The preview will start when you click the play button or move the slider on the timeline. Below, you'll find Saved Video Presets. Each sequence can be edited. Go to Edit. Here, you can change the frame size. Increasing zoom makes the view tighter, while increasing arm length moves the camera further away. For a blurry background, toggle depth of field and set the aperture to lower numbers. Now go to Output. Set the resolution and frame rate. Select your preferred format. Set the save path and enter a video name. Then click the Export Video button. Rendering will take some time, depending on the resolution you set. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to contact us. You'll find our email in the description. Thanks for watching.